Ironton 4 feet. X 8 feet. Steel folding utility trailer kit 1170 lb. Load capacity. Overall assembled length is 135 inches. And overall width is 62¼ inches. Quickie Electric Step 42 Series Motor Conversion Kit for fifth-wheel RVs, travel trailers, and motorhomes. Automatically extends and retracts steps. Motor assembly 1820124. Gear and gear housing assembly. Motor harness. Includes fasteners. Step controller 1800709. Lippert 3724742 single electric step 39-inch automatic with motor, control, and switch. Supports up to 300 pounds. Heavy gauge steel and black powder coat finish for long-lasting durability. Homeon Wheels Safety RV Steps 16.5-inch by 12.2-inch RV Step Stool Folding Platform Step with non-slip durable feet, reflective stripe, grip handle, RVT level more stable, supports up to 1,000 pounds. Extra stable. Firstly, the folding platform step stool has 16.5-inch x 12.2 platform provides extra stability for out-of-reach projects comparing to other which only has 7.9 inches by 6.3 inches platform. Secondly, the RV stool features a slotted design engineered to help remove dirt. Payload capacity is 1,170 pounds. With a 1,400 pounds max GVWR. Includes two 4.80 to 12 inches. Tires, light kit with flat 4-wire harness and connector, safety chain with S-hook, and 1 7/8 inches. Coupler.